Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwani Kumar, an academy educator for the subject NTA UGC NET Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. If you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. Then you are going to get all my updates and videos as the immediate notifications to your devices. And now while coming to the present content of the video, here we are going to see the research associate and the junior research fellowship jobs in the DRDO. So it is Institute of Nuclear Medicine and Allied Sciences, Defense Research and Development Organization. So online interview for the award of DRDO Research Associate and the Junior Research Fellowship. Institute of Nuclear Medicine and Allied Sciences, Delhi, a premier institute of DRDO, invites applications from young and meritorious Indian nationals who desire to pursue defense-related research as research associate and junior research fellows. Selection will be made on the basis of the online interview through video conferencing. And coming to the fellowships, here you can see one is a research associate. So the number of DRDO fellowships, one is there, and the essential qualification required for this one is a PhD awarded in cognitive neuroscience or biomedical engineering or computer science. The desirable qualifications are 3 years experience in psychophysiological data analysis, signal processing and virtual reality. The stipend monthly 54,000 rupees per month plus HRA also available as per the DRDO rules. And coming to the junior research fellowship, one post is there. So the qualification required is BE or BTech in biomedical engineering or computer science or cognitive neuroscience or electronics engineering with GATE mandatory, or MSc or MTech in cognitive neuroscience with NET qualification in first class both at graduate at the postgraduate level, and 31,000 rupees plus HRA per month is available as per the DRDO rules. And coming to the MTech, here MTech exempted from NET or GATE qualification as per the guidelines. Only those candidates who have been awarded degree or provisional certificate are eligible to apply. And coming to the upper age limit, 35 years of the research associate and 28 years for the junior research fellowship as on the date of online interview. The upper age limit shall be relaxable to the candidates belonging to the SC or ST 5 years and OBC 3 years. Number of vacancies may change as per the organizational requirement. And coming to the guidelines, the tenure of research associate is for 2 years only, and the JRF is initially for 2 years and will be extended for 1 year as a SRF, subject to satisfactory performance to be assessed by a committee. And qualification for the above post will be determined as on the date of the online interview, and application form be downloaded from What's New column at the drdo.gov.in. And here coming to the general instructions, candidates who are not meeting the above mentioned qualifications need not to apply, and applications from appended in this advertisement may be typed and submitted along with the copies of testimonials, or can be downloaded from the What's New column at the official website. The email address for sending the application form is inmasrf@gmail.com, and the last date for receipt of duly filled application through email is 1st December 2020. And so these are the few more general instructions are given. Candidates working in government or public sector undertaking autonomous bodies should possess no objection certificate, and candidates shortlisted for interview shall be required to appear for interview in online only. Personal interview in physical mode shall not be conducted, and the shortlisted candidates will be informed by email or mobile about the date and time of the online interview, and the candidate who is willing to attend online interview may send their consent letter along with the filled applications to this mail ID. Okay, so for more accurate details and the more details, I will provide this PDF link in the description box of this video, guys. Fine. So just remember the last date is 1st December 2020, and the GATE or NET qualification is required. Based upon the degrees mentioned here. Okay, and the departments belonging to these subjects are necessary for this post. Okay, so please share this information to your friends or colleagues who belongs to these departments and having these qualifications. And for more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so please listen, guys. Hi guys, my name is Ashwani Kumar and welcome to my channel. this video is especially for the candidates UGC NET Electronic Science. So the people who are going to write the exam in this 5th November 2020, here the Unacademy is providing the crash course that is titled as Crash Course on Electronic Science through Multiple Choice Questions. This course is going to start from October 1st onwards, and by this month end, the course is going to be finished. And by the starting of the November month, you will be ready with the class PDFs, and all the 10 units will be explained in brief. That means the important concepts, formulas, points, definitions, expressions, all these things we are going to discuss in this crash course, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the JRF in this 2020, guys. Okay, so apart from this one, the Unacademy is also providing the full course or else a complete course for the electronic science who are planning to write the exam in the upcoming months or the upcoming years. So here the different subscription plans are there. That is 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So out of all these months, if you want to take the crash course, then you may prefer this 1 month, or else if you are planning to write the exam in the upcoming months, you may take the 3 months, 6 months, 12 months or the 24 months. But if you are planning to take the subscription plans, then use my referral code, that is Ashwini, then you will get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. Okay, so apart from these plans here, before going to take all these things, first of all, refer to my Unacademy profile link. Okay, so in my profiling, that I will provide this link in the description box of this video. So if you once enter into my profile link, then you may check down. That means here the special classes are available. Special classes are the free to everybody. Okay, so just click on the see all. Then whatever the special classes I took, that means the free classes I took, that all these classes you can access, guys. Okay, so career opportunity with UGC or non-UGC NET Electronic Science, and regarding the previous year questions, here the 2017, 2018 July and December 2018, and the June and December 2019, all these questions are discussed here, and these classes are completely free. Okay, so first check the way of explanation whether you are understanding here or not, and then you prefer the subscription plans, guys. Okay, so it is the update that I want to provide to the candidates belongs to the UGC NET Electronic Science. And for more updates, please subscribe the channel, and after subscribing, tap the bell icon. And please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are going to give the exam for the UGC NET Electronic Science. Thank you, guys.